How to grow Nepenthes in winter. Where to place it. Nepenthes is best grown in a sunny environment. If grown indoors, keep it near a bright, well-ventilated window. If the temperature is above 15 degrees, it will grow better when kept outdoors. Exposure to strong sunlight is important for growing hardy Nepenthes. However, it should be moved indoors in the fall when temperatures drop. Nepenthes is a cold-sensitive plant. Keep the temperature at least 15 degrees. A drop in temperature below 15 degrees is not a problem, as long as the temperature drops only in the morning and at night. Continued exposure to cold will weaken Nepenthes. It is important to keep them indoors in a warm place as much as possible. In winter, place them in a well-lit area away from windows, as it can be as cold as outdoors. Place it in a well-lit area away from the window, but be careful not to expose it directly to the wind from the heater. Watering. In winter, water the soil and moss when the surface becomes dry. The air is drier in winter, so mist the leaves during warmer hours. Nepenthes prefers high humidity, so it is important to keep the foliage well watered throughout the year. Always water the leaves so that the stems and petioles are moist. Replanting. Repot once a year during the hot season from June to August. This concludes the description of how to grow Nepenthes in winter.